Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're diving into the Orders section of the Sellvia dashboard. We'll be covering both the Orders and Order Processing tabs, which both handle a key part of the workflow, processing customer orders after they've been placed. Let's jump right into the Orders section first and take a look. So, here we are on the Orders page. This section gives you a detailed overview of all the orders that have been placed in your store. Each order is listed with essential details like the order status, product info, and the time of purchase. At the top of the page, you'll find analytics and filters that allow you to sort orders by different criteria and track performance over time. This feature helps you keep tabs on the bigger picture, so that you can see trends and review data at a glance. It's a simple and effective way to manage incoming orders, much like what you'd find on any e-commerce platform. There's also a short video here that explains how order processing works, step by step, for those who want more detail. Next up, let's talk about manual order processing. When an order is placed, you can click on Process Order to handle it manually. The only step required is paying the supplier's base product price. Once the payment is done, the order moves forward for fulfillment. There's no need to handle supplier communications or logistics directly through this page. Everything is streamlined for you. This gives you full control over when orders are processed, which can help you manage your workflow. Now, let's move on to the Order Processing tab. Here, you can automate the order processing for new purchases. Once automation is activated and you have enough processing credits, Sellvia handles everything for you. That means when a new order is placed, it is processed automatically, from submission through to fulfillment without any manual steps. This feature saves time and streamlines the entire process, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business. So, to summarize, the Orders tab is where you can review and manually process individual orders, while the Order Processing tab is all about managing the automation of those orders. That's it for the Orders section, a straightforward way to track and manage your incoming orders. In the next video, we'll explore Sellvia Ads, where we'll dive into advertising performance and campaign settings inside the dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.